Hey guys, welcome back. Today we shall be producing oxygen gas with the help of a unstable compound hydrogen peroxide and with the help of a catalyst manganese dioxide. To test the presence of oxygen gas, we will be test with the help of a matchstick. Okay, and let's begin the test. Please like and subscribe my channel. So let's begin. So there's a conical flask and we are adding hydrogen peroxide. Now we are adding a small amount of manganese dioxide. Let's see. You can see guys, there's oxygen gas evolving and I shall test this. You can see here, it burns brightly when I enter the gas and see, you can see guys, it is burning brightly in the gas. The stick is burning brightly in the gas, and if there is fire, and then it leads again.
Oh my god! Wow!
It leads again. It leads again.